right, guys, if you want to learn how to get the Weeknd haircut, then definitely watch this video. What's going on YouTube? Steven, a salon guy here, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing the most recent haircut of the Weeknd. So I'm actually going to be transforming this mannequin, which is a lot of hair, into his most recent haircut. So I'm going to cut it. You can follow along with me. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking, so I'm ready to go. Let's get started. All right, guys, so let's do the breakdown of the Weeknd haircut. Now, this was definitely a bit more complex. I tried a few different techniques throughout the haircut to really kind of see how I could tame this haircut best. And I felt, doing a lot of it by hand was the best way to approach this. He has a lot of texture in it, and throughout the haircut, really a lot of it is just eyeballing it, at least for me. And I'm sure I'm gonna get lots of comments of like, oh, you could have done it this way, or could have done it that way, or whatever. But look, I mean, I tried as best as I could. The one thing when I cut textured hair is I like to grab a chunk of it and pull it like this and cut off those fine kind of thinned out ends or the stringy ends here just to kind of thicken up. And that's how I cut it. That's how I get that texture, and that's how I create some thickness in through here when I'm cutting this type of hair texture. It's just pulling out and cutting, pulling out and cutting. Obviously I used some clipper work. Then I went in with talc, which is my powder. And what that does is allow me to kind of create clumps or like little sections of like little mini dreads almost, but like in thicker clumps throughout here, which I felt definitely helped bring the hair together and create a little bit more of a texture type feel in bigger sections rather than taking little ones and twisting it around. And this is it. I mean, this is the best I could do on this. I'd love your feedback if you have any tips or anything. Again, this is kind of his more modern, grown out type one that I've seen recently of his. All right, YouTube, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'd love to hear your comments. Again, I'm sure I'm gonna hear a bunch of feedback, and I'm open to it. If you have any tips or tricks or anything, let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click the bell so you're notified of when my videos go live. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.